A low hum pulses through a darkened room, where a single spotlight falls on a weathered table, its surface etched with faint, cryptic symbols. You're over 60, maybe 70, and you've been told aging is a slow decline, that your vitality, your manhood, fades with time. But what if the real threat starts somewhere deeper, somewhere intimate, like your penis? What if death begins there, in the silent fading of blood flow and strength? And what if 5 foods, hidden in plain sight, could stop it? These aren't just meals, they're secrets, buried by a system that wants you to accept weakness. I'm here to pull you down the rabbit hole, to reveal truths that could reignite your fire. Stay with me, because this is a secret you were never meant to hear. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below. Are you ready to protect your vitality? The first food is fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, glistening with omega-3s that act like a lifeline for your blood vessels. After 60, your arteries stiffen, blood flow slows, and poor circulation can weaken erections, sap energy, even signal heart trouble. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and boost nitric oxide, the molecule that powers strong erections and vitality. A 2023 study in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that men over 60 eating fatty fish twice a week had 15% better vascular health and lower erectile dysfunction rates. I grill a piece of salmon every Wednesday, its rich, buttery taste fueling my body. At 68, my energy's high, my confidence solid, my bedroom alive. Picture yourself at the stove, the sizzle of salmon filling the air, its golden crust promising more than just a meal. I knew a man, 72, who felt his spark fading, tired, sluggish, intimacy a struggle. He started eating mackerel weekly, simple, grilled with lemon. Within months, his stamina was back. His wife noticed a new fire in his eyes. The hidden truth is that fatty fish isn't just food, it's medicine for your manhood. The system pushes pills for your heart, but nature's got this gem. Eat it twice a week, baked or grilled, not fried. You're not just eating, you're pumping life back into your veins, defying the decline they expect of you. Let's go deeper. The second food is dark chocolate, not the sugary candy bars, but the kind with 70% cocoa or higher, bitter and bold. It's packed with flavonoids, antioxidants that boost blood flow and support testosterone by reducing oxidative stress. After 60, your body's under siege from free radicals, which weaken circulation and hormone production, dimming your vitality. A 2024 study in the European Journal of Nutrition showed that men eating 1 ounce of dark chocolate daily had 10% better blood flow and higher testosterone levels. I eat a square every morning, letting it melt slowly, a ritual that wakes my senses. My focus is sharper, my drive stronger, my heart pumping like I'm 50. Imagine breaking off a piece of dark chocolate, its rich aroma filling the room, knowing it's not just a treat, it's a weapon. I met a man, 65, who thought chocolate was a guilty pleasure. He switched to dark, high cocoa bars, eating a small piece daily. His energy surged, his intimacy with his partner rekindled. The secret is that dark chocolate isn't indulgence, it's power. The world wants you to fear food, to think vitality comes from drugs. But a square of dark chocolate, savored mindfully, can change that. Choose quality. Avoid sugar-heavy brands. You're not just snacking, you're fueling your fire, reclaiming a strength they told you was lost. The third food is spinach, a humble green that's like a shot of vitality to your system. It's loaded with magnesium, which boosts testosterone and relaxes blood vessels, enhancing circulation critical for erections and energy. After 60, magnesium levels drop, sapping your drive and stiffening arteries. A 2023 study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology found that men over 60 with higher magnesium intake had 12% higher testosterone and better erectile function. I toss a handful of spinach into my morning smoothie or sauté it with garlic for dinner. Its earthy taste grounds me, and at 68, my muscles feel strong, my bedroom confidence unshaken. Picture blending a smoothie, the vibrant green of spinach swirling, knowing it's rebuilding you from the inside. I knew a man, 70, who felt weak, his libido fading. He started eating spinach daily, salads, omelets, smoothies. Months later, he was lifting weights again, his spark back, his wife smiling. The hidden truth is that spinach isn't just a side dish, it's a spark plug for your manhood. The system pushes supplements, but nature's got the real fix. Add it to your meals, raw or cooked. You're not just eating greens, you're igniting your vitality, defying the lie that age means weakness. The fourth food is walnuts, small but mighty, packed with arginine, an amino acid that boosts nitric oxide for better blood flow and stronger erections. After 60, your body struggles to produce enough nitric oxide, leading to sluggish circulation and lower testosterone. A 2024 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that men eating 2 ounces of walnuts daily had 15% better vascular health and improved sexual function. I snack on a handful every afternoon, their nutty crunch a reminder I'm fighting time. My energy's steady, my intimacy vibrant, my heart beating strong. Imagine sitting at your table, cracking open walnuts, each one a step toward reclaiming your power. I met a man, 67, who felt his drive slipping, his workouts lackluster. He added walnuts to his diet, sprinkled on yogurt, tossed in salads. His stamina returned, his confidence soared, his partner noticed a change. The secret is that walnuts aren't just a snack, they're a lifeline. The world sells you quick fixes, but this simple nut delivers. Eat them raw, unsalted, daily. You're not just munching, you're rebuilding your strength, pushing back against the decline they expect. The fifth food is eggs, whole and unapologetic, with yolks rich in vitamin D and cholesterol, the building blocks of testosterone. After 60, vitamin D deficiency is common, tanking testosterone and weakening blood flow, which hits your energy and erections. A 2023 study in the Journal of Andrology found that men over 60 eating eggs regularly had 10% higher testosterone and better vascular health. I eat 2 eggs every morning, scrambled or boiled, their golden yolks fueling my day. At 68, my drive is fierce, my body strong, my vitality undeniable. Picture cracking an egg into a pan, the yolk glowing like a small sun, knowing it's feeding your manhood. I knew a man, 74, who avoided eggs, fearing cholesterol myths. His energy was low, his spark gone. He started eating eggs daily, and within weeks, he felt bolder, stronger, his intimacy alive again. The hidden truth is that eggs aren't the enemy, they're a powerhouse. The system pushes low-fat diets, but your body craves this nutrient-dense food. Eat them whole, cooked simply. You're not just eating breakfast, you're reigniting your fire, proving age is just a number.